Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video, we have a very interesting equation that we have x is equal to square root of 222 plus the square root of 222 plus x. And let's see how we can solve this question. So first thing that comes into mind is that if we do the power of 2 on each side, this might make this a little bit complicated. So we'll have x squared 2022 plus x and like this is not something easy to deal with, so it doesn't seem to be this hard to go with this. But let's see what we have in here. So we have the square root of 222 plus the square root of 222 plus x, and we know our x is the square root of 222 plus x, meaning these things. And if we put the x again, what we have, this is gonna go forever and we're gonna get us stuck in a loop. But if we look at what the expression over here, this will be exactly our x, right? So this will be what we have for x from the question here. And now it seems that we are off to a good start, and if that's the case, we will have x is equal to square root of 222 plus x. And there we go. Now it seems if we do power of 2 on each side, we're going to go somewhere with this. So we have x squared is equal to 2022 plus x. And now we have a simple quadratic equation, which is x squared minus x minus 222 is equal 0. And we're good to go with our quadratic formula. So we have our x, what we have for quadratic formula, which we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And if we want to find the x, we simply have minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And there we go. What we have for a in here is our a is 1, our b is minus 1, and our c is minus 220. So let's see what we can do. We have minus b, which is minus 1 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 1 minus 4 times a times c, which is minus 222 divided by 2a or 2. So we'll have x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 4 times 222 plus 1, which is 88 plus 1, 89 divided by 2. And so we have two answers in here. One of them is 1 plus 89 divided by 2, and the second answer is 1 minus 89 divided by 2. Obviously the numerator here is positive and the whole ratio will be positive, and we'll have a negative number in the second answer. And if we get back to the question, we'll see that our x is equal to square root of a number, which means that number is positive. So that means our x has to be positive, and if that's the case, this cannot be an answer for us, and this will be the only answer that we have in here, unless we go with imaginary number, which is not the goal in here. So we will have 1 plus square root of 89 divided by 2, and that would be the final answer for this question. You guys take care, and I'll see you with another interesting question in the next video. Have a good one.